As a summary, towards the end of this book, we wanted to provide an insight into global banks and how this entire industry is moving towards. Hence, we call this chapter as Banking Trends 2020. But it does not mean that it is only limited up to year 2020, but it can go up beyond that. One of the key trends that we observed compared to the other industries, banking industry is not leveraged the physical to digital movement, and as well as a combination of a digital and physical coming together. One of the examples that we found out how Amazon invested in acquiring Whole Foods, a physical store, so that they can bring the digital and physical together, and famously known as phygital. The second trend that we observed as part of this was how the organizations are moving from a business process automation to a robotic process automation. The advent of artificial intelligence, though it has been there for more than 50 years, I think in the last 2-3 years we have seen global industries are trying to make use of artificial intelligence in a much bigger way. Banking industry is one such industry which is lagging behind when it comes to usage of robotic process automation in their business operations. The third trend that we observed, how the banks can move beyond the borders. The borderless banking and as well as decentralized computing and decentralized ledgers. The trend that we have seen in this area is the advent of distributed ledger technologies and how the banks can use the same to their advantage. Move out of cross-border transactions, move out of the boundaries that are put by the limitations of the geographic locations, how transactions, remittances, trade finance can happen globally without any limitations, how to leverage blockchain as a major source of automation when it comes to cross-border transactions. We found that is an important trend for the banks to adapt. Smart branches which are digital, fully in nature. This is the fourth trend that we observed. Not just that, as an observation, we also found out that how from being anywhere, anytime, anyhow, banking, the banks can move into every time, every how, and every now kind of a transaction journey using social, mobility, analytics, and cloud. This is what banking will look like in 2020.